So today on our show, we have a very dear guest, Happy Wealthy Lily, who, like her name suggests, is a happiness empowerment coach. And it is an honor to welcome her on our show, Conversations with Shubhika. Happy Wealthy Lily, thank you so much for coming on to our show.
Thank you for having me. And this is the laughter yoga namaste
Right.
that we do. Since we can't shake hands, and this is the Indian way and the Eastern way of saying namaste.
Namaste. So Lily, can you tell us something about your background? Where you're from and how long have you been in Dubai?
I came in Dubai in 1986, so that makes it 35 years.
Wow. Okay.
We are 3 generations that live here. Myself, my children, and my granddaughter. Do you want to know where I come from actually?
Yes.
From the planet Jupiter,
From Jupiter. Wow.
which is called the wise planet, and in Hindi it's called the Guru. Well, anyway, to be precise, I'm born and brought up in India, in Bombay. My background is of Iranian Persian origin.
Okay. That
Yeah.
explains your good looks.
Thank you. And like I said, I've been here for the last 35 years.
Very nice.
Thank you.
So have you always been in this field? What attracted you towards laughter yoga and what you're doing right now?
Life. What do you see around you? Do you see more happiness, or do you see a lot of somber faces, a lot of seriousness? Teenagers are becoming much more serious than even youth. So it's like trickling back generation wise, and it's not really helping anyone. Very soon we'll have even adolescents who are like angry and serious and things. I wouldn't want to blame that on anything or anyone, but I would like to say that let's bring in the laughter element so that we have a happy world. If you see plants, if you put classical music next to the plants, even a dead plant comes to life. That's the beauty of music. But then there's another beauty with laughter as well. When we are laughing, we are more light-hearted, and our cells are happy as well. And that creates not only happy people, but it creates a happy planet as well. The front page of every newspaper, media, they're only talking about wars. There's a lot of goodness happening in the world. No one wants to make that a front page headlines. I would like to make laughter a front page headline.
Absolutely. And I think you've done amazing work over
Thank
here
you.
in Dubai.
Thank you.
And we're fortunate enough to capture some of that on camera.
Thank you.
So, Lily, tell us about some stories and some testimonials with your students and how this has benefited them. Like you said, the kind of generation that we're in right now. We're also stressed all the time. So, can you share with our audience some
Yeah.
stories?
There used to be a well-being show that was taking place at the Jumeirah Beach Hotel in the convention center, and that's when I was there to attend Deepak Chopra's talk. And this is the same year in 2005 when Dr. Madan Kataria, I happened to meet him, and he was just walking freely, openly. There was some stalls and stands at the exhibition as well, and he was introducing himself freely. And it's an instant attraction when you see someone so happy and laughing. You either resist and you judge and you don't want to know, or you just want to, you're vibrating towards it. So I just went up to him and I said, I've heard about you and I've seen you. So he says, yes, I'm Dr. Madan Kataria. And I introduced myself. And when he introduced himself, he was just like, I'm Dr. Madan Kataria. Ha 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 ha. I found that very, very light-hearted, a lot of fun. He changed the whole mood and the frequency and the vibration in that particular space that he was in. I could see everyone very light-headed and, So that's when it started. And then I was practicing it with a few friends. We would gather together outside Zabil Park. This is more than 10 years ago. And we would meet in groups and we would just practice and just laugh and create a very happy environment with either my meditation group or some friends that we would get together. Just last year, I got into a training, exact proper training.
Okay.
So now I'm a certified leader.
Congratulations.
So it's a whole, thank you very much. So it's an entire spectrum of talking about laughter on a scientific way, and how it's proven to be very, very effective in even curing the most terminal diseases where the doctors have said that you have 6 months to live, you can't walk. So there have been case studies and they're like increasing every time. Just 2 weeks ago, I was fortunate enough on Zoom with the Laughter Yoga Club Worldwide. This lady, she used to be a banker and she was always very, very serious. One morning she was walking by and she saw people laughing in the park. Right. And she says, "Can I join you guys?" And they says, "Sure." And she used to get a lot of migraine. She used to be very, very stressed. Banking is a stressful thing. And she used to practice this every single day. Within 4 months, her migraine just vanished. Her whole mood changed, everything. Today, she is a walking, talking laughter person. She's 70, if you see her, and she's in Delhi. And she's going about everywhere and spreading laughter. So, I mean, there have been cases who are living. There have been cases who have seen a lot of miracles happening with their body, with their whole energy field.
Right.
Yeah.
So I've been someone that's always gotten into so much trouble for laughing. Whether
Oh my
it
God.
is school, laughing when there's no need to actually laugh. And I'm sure even for my friends that are watching the show, know that I've always gotten into a lot of trouble for laughing when it was not required. But at least now I know that it's not all bad and it's good to laugh.
I used to get into trouble in school because I would find everything funny.
Correct.
And I remember once in my geography class, my teacher said, "Barucha," that's my maiden name. Right. "You're sitting behind." And I said, "Okay." And I went behind and I was giggling. And then suddenly I realized I don't have a partner with me next to me on my desk. And I said, "Miss, that's not fair. You have to have someone with me. You have to give me someone to sit with so I can talk." She says, "The whole idea to make you sit alone is that you can keep your mouth shut and you don't laugh." And I just burst out laughing. She got so upset. She wanted to laugh as well. I could see her giggling, but then she can't do that because she has to keep appearances. She told me, "Please stand outside the class." And the principal passed by and she says, "Again? Now what's wrong this time?" I said, "Miss, I was laughing." So even she didn't know what to say. She just turned and she just went off. So, yes, getting into trouble for laughing, it's a very, 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 very good sign. Give yourself a bravo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. And so I know that laughter yoga is only one part to Happy Wealthy Lily. There's so much more depth to you and what you do.
Okay.
So tell us a little about bars. I don't know too much about it, and I'm sure the audience would also want to know. So what exactly is bars, and can you tell us more about it?
So the modality is called Access Consciousness, the bars.
Okay.
So when I say access consciousness, it's accessing your own consciousness,
Okay.
your own self, knowing yourself.
Okay.
And bars is the first step.
Okay.
So when I say the word bars,
Okay.
what would come to your mind?
An obstacle?
Yes.
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 Okay.
So how many obstacles we create for ourselves for so many things that we want to do, the barriers. Even about laughter itself, when I invite so many people, maybe I invite 25 people and just 6 or 7 show up.
Okay.
That many people, they even tell me till the last moment, "Oh, I'm so looking forward, I'm coming tomorrow." But they don't want to because there are a lot of obstacles and barriers that we put in our way.
Correct.
So the bars there are 32 points on our head, which is like defragmenting your computer, literally. So these points are related to thoughts, feelings, emotions about money, about aging, about life, about form and structure, about this reality, everything to do with all the barriers that all the systems have put in place, and where we also make ourselves smaller, smaller, smaller into the whole structure, and putting ourselves in different boxes. I'm a woman, so we go into the gender box.
Correct.
I come from this country, we go into the nationality box. I am of this origin and ethnicity, and we go into that box. I belong to this religion, we go into that box. And we have cut ourselves so much, and we have made ourselves smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. and we've forgotten our true self. So this is about literally opening up you to you. So this is like defragmenting your computer. It's an antivirus for the brain.
Right, and you take personal sessions with people, or do you also do corporate sessions?
I do both, and I'm also a facilitator where I'm certified to actually facilitate. We don't use the word teach, because teach is meaning you tell somebody what to do. Facilitate is where you bring out the best in the person. Yeah.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Very nice. So, can you share with us some techniques in order to break out of our, obstacles
Laugh.
and laugh?
Since the time I've known you, I've always seen you laughing and giggling.
Yes.
So that's the best thing.
Correct. Very nice. So, Happy Wealthy Lily. Can you tell me a little bit about this title and your name?
You want me to tell you?
Yes.
I love being happy. It's always lighter to make things with a lot of fun and happiness. And if you can laugh about everything, that's the best thing. Wealthy is the wealth that we come with in this world, which is within us. We don't tap into it. So it's high time that everyone does that. Lily, that's my name, which is a beautiful flower. So happy, wealthy Lily.
Very nice. So nice. So, Lily, for everybody that sits at home and for people in office that are so stressed, we have different types of stress. Can you help us with some techniques that we can quickly adapt to even in the office or at home?
Okay. Every hour, on the hour, if you can just close your eyes for 1 minute. Okay, so let's say you start work at 9 o'clock in the morning. Fine, if you don't have even time when you go at that time to the office, let's say 10 o'clock and then 11 o'clock. So you can even time it at 10:15, 11:15 or 10:30, but on the hour, just for 1 minute, if we can close our eyes and just be with ourselves. So it'll just be about closing your eyes with no thoughts, which is not going to be possible. Thoughts will come, thoughts will go. Let them flow, let them come, let them go. They are just your visitors. They've just come to say hi, and let them go. You don't have to be with them. You don't have to get carried away with them. Just close your eyes. And if you can take about 3 deep breaths and exhale. So it will be the breath that I did is called the Ujjayi, which is the fire breath. It's a very different technique. If you know, it's fine. You can do with the Ujjayi breath, or you can just breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Every time you breathe in, you just breathe in the calm, the peace, the happiness, the love, all the flow like water, how it flows beautifully. And you just hold it for a few seconds. Maybe in your mind you can count from 1 to 5, and then exhale, release a deep, long exhale, release all the stress, release all the trauma, release all the drama, all the anger, all the upset, all of that. So if you can just do that, This will put you back into your own space, and then you come back recharged. This is literally a super recharge for your own batteries. I would also like to show.
You working from home or you working from the office? Is work stressing you up? Do you have target issues? Competition with your colleagues? What happens? It all gets pent up on the neck behind here, and we carry all that burden on our shoulders. The angst feeling, the anxiety, the anxiousness of getting more sales, everything. So just a quick fix in a few seconds. You can go into a corner or outside the office in the corridor or even the area where you smoke. Just bend down and come up. So what you're doing is you're letting out a great sigh, you're detoxifying at the same thing, and you're recharging again. So it's just your shoulders are going to get very, very relaxed. Because what you're doing is you've taken everything on your shoulder and you're slumping yourself down and making yourself heavy. So it's just, if you can do that, it's a super recharge. Thank you.
So Lily, it has been absolutely wonderful to have you here on our show. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming. It's been great having you.
I'd like to say that I want to thank you for Conversations with Shubhika, the whole platform that you've started, which
Thank
is
you.
amazing. Everyone has been going through a very different stage in business, or they don't know what to do with themselves. This is a great platform that you've started where you are bringing about all their ideas and possibilities, what they have to share with the world. This is a great platform. Thank you very much.
On behalf of Miss Lily, I'd like to thank her for giving us the opportunity to experience this once in a lifetime experience that I have with the program called Laughter Yoga. It's my first time, and yeah, it's like a beautiful experience. Like it's stretching my body, and when we laugh, it's like it's removing some of the negative energies that I have inside my body. So yeah, it will be a big help for me, and I think I have to do it regularly on my own or with someone else. And yeah, I highly recommend to people who have especially who are depressed, especially on the situation that we have right now. So it's important that you have to laugh. Yeah, we have to create a space to release our emotions. So yeah, we have to laugh and then just enjoy and have ourselves like a chill against this virus that we have right now and against all the challenges that we are facing. So let's laugh together and be happy in life in spite of the challenges that we have. Yeah, and I recommend you to if you have the program, if you know the program, so you can come and join us to laugh together. Thank you.
My name is Janice, and this is my first time of joining Miss Lily Yoga Laughter. Oh, it's so amazing. It was so amazing, and we just need to be free. We have to loosen ourselves, and we just need to release our stress by laughing, and it helps a lot also to our body. Like for me, I'm a little bit healthy, so maybe if I'll do this, then I will for sure loosen my weight and all. And yeah, I recommend to everyone to please try this, and it will really help you. Just now, we had this experience, and it really makes me more light, you can say, because in everyday stress and everyday work, we just have to forget that, and we just need to laugh. So join us with Miss Lily Yoga Laughter Meditation. Laugh with us and be happy. Thank you so much.
For all our viewers watching, thank you so much for tuning in. It means a lot to us. So Conversations with Shubhika is about growing your business. It is a marketing platform for all you entrepreneurs. As long as you have a business, a service to provide, or even a product, we have the platform for you. So get into conversation with us and grow your business. And most importantly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep laughing. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.